Good morning, students. We are going to continue with yesterday's story. What was the name of our story? The name of our story was The Story of Sindbad the Sailor. I told you who is Sindbad. Sindbad was a sailor who used to visit various places, who used to go and voyage, and his seven stories are very much famous. And those seven stories or these seven voyages you can see in the book. What was the name of the book? The book of 1001 Nights, or it is also called the Arabian Nights. What it is also called? The Arabian Nights. Then I told you yesterday they landed on an island. What they thought after so many days, as they were sailing in the ship, they came across a island. Island means what? A piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. I told you yesterday meaning of the word island. So as they landed over there, they danced over there, they walked here and there, correct or not? And then after some time there was a breeze. As there was a breeze in the sea, what happened? That island started moving and shaking. As soon as the island started moving and shaking, the people, those who had spotted the place or those who had landed on the island, they all got frightened because some people were washing their clothes, some of them they were cooking food, correct or not? And as the breeze, as there was a breeze of air, what happened? The people, those who were cooking on fire, that fire started burning. Correct or not? It started burning more. And then as it started burning more, the island started moving and the island started moving and once the island started moving, then people realized that it is not an island. What they realized? They realized that it is not an island but it is a sea monster. I told you, sea monster means what? Animal which is there in the water, which is frightening, correct or not? Which is which afraids you. And these people landed. They had landed on, or they the boat sailed near the monster, and that monster started moving. Correct. The captain then what captain did? Captain had given order to the captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. As they wanted to go away from the monster, monster started moving. So captain told his men that please take our ship away from the monster. Then what happened further? The sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship, but many sank into the sea with the so-called island. Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. He saw it sailing far, far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves, being tossed here and there. He clung to a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent the night alone at sea. Now just imagine the merchants who were there along with Sindbad, they had gone on the island. The island was island or what? It was piece of land or what? No, it was an animal. Correct or not? Which animal? What animal? It was a monster. And then as monster started moving, what did that monster do? Monster plunged into the sea. Plunge means what? Plunge means jump or dive quickly. When you go in swimming pool, what you do? You dive in the water. Correct or not? You dive in the water of the swimming pool. In same way, monster dived quickly into the sea. Then what happened? The people, some many people or many merchants, those who were there on ship, they tried to run in the ship. They had gone. They left their clothes. They left their eatables. They left their what we call it, things which they had taken on the island. Considering monster as an island, they went on island, and as the island started moving, island means who it was? It was a monster. As monster started moving, the monster dived in the water. As soon as the monster dived in the water, before that many merchants tried to run in the ship. They rushed in the ship, but some merchants could not climb or could not climb the ship. They could not board the ship. Then what happened? They all went into the water of the sea. And it is told that Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea. Drown means what? Good name. Sindbad was not only one person who was in the water of the sea, who drowned in the water of the sea. There were many other merchants, okay, along with him. Many of them, they were trying to save their life. Now Sindbad was now at the mercy of the waves. Where the waves were going, Sindbad was swimming along with those waves. He was going along with the waves here and there. It is told that he was being tossed here and there. Toss means what? Correct? You do or not toss? Tossing of ball in cricket. Correct? You toss the coin. Means what happens? Wherever you will throw it, it will go that side. So in same way, along with waves, Sindbad was tossed from one side to another side to again first side. Wherever waves will go, he was tossed here and there. He clung to a piece of wood. Now somehow he came across a piece of what? He came across a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. Now he got a piece of wood. He had got a piece of wood. You can see in this picture. He got a piece of wood and somehow he managed to float on the piece of wood. Correct or not? Clung means what? He got stuck to a wood. Wood means what? Lakud. Correct. He in between only he came across the wood and he clung it. Clung means what? He got stuck to that wood and he managed to be with that wood whole night alone. He was in the sea with that wood. You know, wood float on water. Correct or not? And he took help of what? Sindbad took help of wood to be on water, to not be drawn in the water. He did not sink in water. Sink means what? Good name. He was up on the water, surface of water. Because of what? Because of a piece of wood. Then what happened? When the next day dawned, Sindbad was happy to see that he had floated near an island, a real big island. He could see hills and woods and trees at a distance. Though he was extremely tired, he swam to the shore with all the strength that he could muster. Exhausted and hungry, he lay on the sand for some time. Then again, he made an effort and began to walk inland towards the shady fruit trees that he could see at a distance. Now, what happened? Sindbad whole night he was floating on the wood in the sea, and then when it was dawn, dawn means what? When sun rises. Dawn means what? Pahat. When sun rises, at that time he came to know that somehow he had come to the seashore. Kathala. Okay, he had come to a seashore and he saw that there was a real island. Now, not a monster island. Okay, it was first was monster. They considered monster as an island, but second time where he floated to the seashore, there was a real island with hills and trees. Correct. There was hills, there was grass, there were trees, fruit trees were there, woods were there, and when he saw that island, then he got relief and he understood that now he is saved. Correct. And then as he was tired, he was exhausted and exhausted with the hunger. Exhausted means what? He tried a lot whole night. He was trying and he mustered his strength. Mustered his strength means what? He collected his all strength to save his life. Muster means what? muster. Muster means collect. What he did? He collected strength or what? No, strength is inside us. Correct or not? It is inner strength. And he collected all his strength and he decided that no, I am going to save my life and I am going to be alive. Okay, who said that to himself? Sindbad said to himself that no, I am not going to die, I am not going to drown, I am not going to sink in the water. I'm not going to die. I'm going to muster my strength. I'm going to muster my strength means I'm going to collect my all strength, and somehow I'm going to go at the seashore. And naturally, what happened, because of his strength and because of his willpower, he went to the seashore next day morning. I told you, next day, dawn, what happened? Dawn means what? Pahad. He came near the seashore and he understood that there is an island. He came across what? He came across an island which was full of hills and trees. And then, after exhausted with hunger, he was too much hungry. Then he tried to go and lay down on the sand which was at the seashore. Then what happened further, that we are going to study in the story. And he saw some trees which were having fruits, which was little far away from the seashore. Luckily, this was the time when the king of that island sent his horses to the seashore with the grooms. The grooms saw Sindbad and gave him food and drink. Then they took him to the king. The king The king was impressed by the way Sindbad told him about what what had happened. He asked Sindbad to stay with him and work as an officer of the king at the port. Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learning a lot from the king and the people on the island, and in turn telling them about the other cities and ports that he had visited. At the port, Sindbad often made inquiries about any ships coming from or going to the Baghdad, but no such ship ever came to that port. Now there was an island in between. Only when they were sailing in the sea, there was an island where he somehow managed to swim or float with the wood, and he reached over there. And when he lay down on the seashore, what happened? King of the king of that island had sent some whom he had sent some people to the seashore for what? Along with the horses. He had sent king of that island sent his horses to the seashore with the grooms. Horses are taken to the seashore so that if there are some goods, those goods can be put on the back of the horses and can be brought on the island or where the kingdom is. So grooms were a person. Grooms means what? A person who takes care of horses. Horses were sent to the seashore with whom? Horses were sent to the seashore by king. By whom? By grooms. King has sent, but who took care of those horses? Grooms. Grooms means what? Grooms. Grooms means a person who takes care of horses. And these people, they saw Sindbad lying on the seashore. Then they gave him food. He might have told that I'm too much hungry. I was drawn in the sea, and somehow I have managed to save my life. He told all his history to those people. Then those grooms did? They gave him food and some water to drink, and then after that they took Sindbad to the kingdom or to the king or to the kingdom of the king. And what happened? Then king heard, and king was really impressed by hearing the story what had happened of Sindbad. Sindbad told his story to the king, and king was impressed. And then king said, instead of going back to your place means Baghdad, instead of going back to Baghdad, you stay here with me and work as an officer of the king at the port. He can work as an officer. King had given him an offer. King said, instead of going back to Baghdad, you can stay with me or you can stay in my kingdom and be an officer of the port. Sindbad agreed to the offer which is given by the king. Then Sindbad stayed over there for a few days. What he did? He stayed over there. He learned many things from the king. He learned many things from the people of that island. Even he told about various places which he had visited. He gave lot of information to the people those who were there in the kingdom of the king. And then he used to do inquiries. Inquiries means what? He used to go and ask at the port, did any ship had come from Baghdad, or did any ship go to Baghdad? He used to do what? He used to do inquiries. But people told him that no, there is no ship which has come from, or which has been loaded to Baghdad, or which has been unloaded from Baghdad to our island. Okay. In this way, he should keep on asking. Then what happened further? Then one day, a ship arrived at the island with lot of merchandise. Merchandise means what? Lot of goods. Sindbad was at a quay when the cargo from that ship was being unloaded. He was surprised to see that his own name was marked on some of the boxes. Then he went to the captain of the ship. At first, the captain could not believe that it was the same Sindbad that they had seen drowning in the sea. But when Sindbad spoke to him face to face, he recognized him. He was overjoyed to see Sindbad alive. He gave him back all his merchandise. Then what happened when he was at the platform of the port? Platform is what? Platform is what? There it is a sea, and there is a platform which is made of wood. There is a platform which is made of wood or metal, where goods are loaded. Goods are loaded. From here, goods are taken and goods are unloaded. And Sindbad was officer at the port, and one day he saw a ship which was having lot of merchandise. Merchandise means a lot of goods were there, and those goods were kept in the boxes. And he saw that there are some boxes on which his name is written. Whose name is written? Sindbad's name is written. Okay, then he went to the captain of the ship. He wanted to know who had brought these boxes, because my name is written on those boxes. Okay, and then when he went to the captain and asked him about, he came to know that he is the same captain on which ship I was sailing and where I had drawn. And captain was happy to see Sindbad alive, and he said he was surprised to see Sindbad. He was thinking that Sindbad has died in the sea water, but he was happy. And what did that captain do? Captain gave his all goods back to the Sindbad. Have you understood story till here? Remaining story and some question answers of our exercise I will take in next period. Okay, what you have to do, yesterday 5 to 6 word meanings were given. In those word meanings you have to add this word meanings. Okay, plunge, jump or dive quickly. Cargo means goods. Clung means stuck. Muster, collect. Grooms means a person who takes care of horses. And quay means a platform which is made of wood or metal to transport goods from one place to another, or to load and unload goods. Okay, till here